My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I want to give you some insight and tell you what to do. I get this situation a lot where people say they're not liable to file a tax return, and they give me all kinds of reasons. I've written a best-selling book about IRS settlements. I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm just showing you I wrote the book. I know you're thinking big deal. It's a good book though. Anyway, if you do not think you're liable to file a tax return, IRS wants you to let them know and sign a document, and that document is found on the 15103 federal tax form. So remember, if you do not think you're liable to file, IRS needs to know. If not, they're going to pester you for it and go after that form. So if you want to stop IRS, just like I said, fill out the form 15103. It's a real simple form. I think there's maybe 12 or 13 questions on it, and it just gives IRS enough base information to put it on their computer so they don't need to pester you. So if that's you, just go ahead and get the job done with that 15103 form from IRS. You can download it yourself, send it in IRS, and guess what? They probably won't pester you unless there's 1099 or W-2 information on the computer. So IRS will check all 1099s and W-2s before they put that you're not liable for that form. That's the process. That's what IRS does. If you need me, contact me. Please, if you would, give me a subscription. That's really good. A share, a like, a comment. But yeah, subscriptions are really helpful. Thank you so much. I hope I gave you some good information today. Blessings.